This video is about how to upgrade a system with existing Windows 10 installed to Windows 11. This is a method for upgrading to Windows 11 when the existing Windows 10 is genuine. If you do not have a Windows product key or are using an illegal Windows 10 OS, the upgrade will not be possible. Since Windows 10 security updates end on October 14th, I will share tips for upgrading to Windows 11. However, since this is not an official permit from Microsoft, the situation that occurs when a system below the 8th generation is upgraded is entirely the individual's responsibility. Okay, let's start. Set up BIOS first. Make sure Windows installation at UEFI setup. Make secure boot on. Then proceed Windows 10 installation. After Windows 10 installation, download Windows 11 ISO installer. Open Windows 11 installer. In the search bar, type CMD, then type setup/product server. Press enter, then proceed with Windows 11 upgrade. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated. Like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.